What's up, ladies and gents? Quick update with Bitcoin and what we need not to happen, basically. So we were looking at this particular support level here for Bitcoin, and we've unfortunately lost the support. As we see, we had the wick from 24th of January, 23rd of February. We lost this key area of support over here. Looks like we're making our way down to about $34,690. Looking at the hourly time frame, you can see we've lost all of this massive liquidation right here in the market, potential capitulation on the way. We can see actually we're putting through a lot of green at the moment, but we did come all the way down to lows of $35.2k as we reach oversold on the RSI, everybody. So it does look pretty fearful at the moment. We're under the 20-day moving average. Now you could see this particular bear flag or descending channel as a bearish pattern where we could actually fall down to around 34.5k, so don't take that out of the cards just yet. If we do fall below that 34k level, the next area of support would be losing this particular 34.3 and coming down to around about 32.9k, and after that things get pretty deadly. You can see we're going to come down to these lower supports such as 31k, got quite a bit of support written in at 31k, quite a bit 29.4, and then after 28.7k, if we look at our daily time frame, you can see after that particular level, well, it's all coming down to between $27,000 and $28,000 to be fair, and that could very easily happen. What happened before in May 2021 is that we did have this descending channel play out. We did put through the lower lows as well, so it was extreme fear in the market. This time, you know, we've lost this low, but we haven't actually lost our low here at 32.8k just yet, so things don't look too bad. So look out for those particular levels. We could still get the reversal, the rebound, the retest of 38k, but I do think on this particular instance, whilst we're so underextended of our 200-day moving average, and also whilst we're so far away from the bull market support band, the sentiment and the macro trend remains down. We could also look at the BLX. This shows us the retracement of each bull market cycle that's ever happened. We can see the market cycle tops down to the market cycle bottom here in 2012 was a 93% correction. Following this, we had 77%, we had an 85%. 82% from 2017, as you see, this particular market cycle top all the way to bottom. And so far, we've only had a 57% market cycle correction. So if we were to follow and repeat history, let's assume we're getting diminishing returns. So let's just input 70%. Or even, yeah, okay, we'll do 70%. So 70% takes us just above the market cycle top of the previous year. So we could still see a $20,000 Bitcoin. At some point in the future, I wouldn't write it off the cards. I do see this as a big bear flag. Alternatively, it's still possible to break to the upside and come back up to bigger price levels. But with the economic crisis we're seeing, I think it's more likely we revisit mass capitulation and mass fear, so we can build up euphoria and excitement for a completely new bull market, which will be catalyzed by the Bitcoin halving event in mid-2024. We've also got the DXY just doing way too good for crypto at the moment. You know, we broke out this key resistance here. As you see, we had the swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high. We had the double bottom reversal over here, and it just doesn't look good. It just really doesn't look good. The US dollar currency index is getting stronger, meaning other currencies are just getting weaker and weaker. Bit of news, super important news as well, so check this out. Someone is blowing up. Bitcoin sees 2022 volume record amid hopes capitulation is over. Does Bitcoin have further to fall? Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. After plunging to 10-week lows in line with equities on May the 5th Wall Street trading session, Bitcoin bounced at levels last seen in February. The downturn in both crypto and stocks, which followed an initial bounce the day prior on the back of the expected rate hikes by the Fed Reserve, appeared to be more than traders bargained for. The S&P 500 finished down on the day by 3.5% and the Nasdaq down by 5%. Very big numbers. And we can see, actually looking at this tweet, someone is blowing up, and this is a forced liquidation in the markets. There have been 2 days in the past, basically 25 years, when the S&P 500 futures were down 3% and 10% Treasury futures down 1%. So basically someone is blowing up, forced liquidation in the market, smells like capitulation or some serious background activity. Look at the amount of longs that were liquidated in the market just yesterday. This was one of the highest dailies for months and months, and the remaining 200 million came from altcoin pairs. So 190 million liquidation for Bitcoin alone. 200 million came from altcoin pairs. So This particular analyst thinks there will be bounces, pops, squeezes, short-term euphoria, you name it, but I don't think we see macro reversal before a major capitulation, which is pretty crazy, to be fair. Looking at the market, just an overview, we're sitting at 22 on the extreme fear and greed index. You know, extreme fear could represent a buying opportunity if you really enjoy high risk to reward ratio. Dollar cost average is something you can potentially do around this time, not financial advice, but it's good to move altcoins or some altcoins into Bitcoin. If you want to grab Bitcoin today or something like that, you can use the link down in my description at the top. And revisit 36k. So weekly market cap, Bitcoin down 7.8%, Ethereum down 6.3%. And everything else is just down. There's quite a lot of red in the market. Everything is following Bitcoin. So we're sitting at 36k Bit, 2.7k Ethereum, and the monthly market cap for each of these is down 20%. So they're pretty much identically following each other, which is kind of annoying because we just want to see the separation between Bitcoin and the altcoins, especially the layer 1 infrastructures. If you're new here as well, people, make sure you head over to my Twitter channel. Enter the competition. It's really easy to do. $100 giveaway going to be announced in just 3 weeks now. And also head over to the Discord if you want to also receive some data and graphs, some DCA charting, daily take profit zones, and also be part of a community that is ever growing and also providing you with educational content. So make sure you do all those things. Subscribe. You're going to get an automatic entrance anyway. Comment, like, let me know what videos you want to see in the future. Bye now.